we've come back over the bridge to this side of the circuit now, to the inside. We're just going to head over the Stile now and then head up to Brandywell, which from here is about 10 or 15 minute walk. So as we've seen, the areas that are accessible from the Victory Cafe are vast. Right the way through to almost the veranda, all the way up here to Brandywell. What a place to watch this is. I was here myself last TT. The bikes are absolutely howling up the hill there, flat out in 6th gear, then obviously down through the gears, down through the corner, laying the rubber down as they leave out of there. Spectacular place to watch. And of course you've got access to the trams down at Laxey over the footbridge as well. And obviously you've got the Thalty Will Road, which can take you straight to Sulby or straight to the Ginger Hall. So a great, great place to be based at to watch the TT. We are now back outside the Victory Cafe. Obviously we've got the statue of Joey in the background, obviously very popular. The guys here have done a phenomenal, fantastic job. They provide brilliant food, you know, breakfast, lunch, alcoholic drinks, ordinary beverages. This place is a gem in the middle of the mountain, to be fair. And all you need to do is look at what's accessible to the public. It's absolutely fantastic. This area here is like a little corporate private area, if that's what you're interested in. This really is a brilliant, brilliant place to spend your TT.